This is Neolock's a new form of smart locks. For you to use it, you need to download the application Neolock from Apple Store or Google Play. And once it's in your phone, just open the app, click on the plus sign on the top right corner to add or just search. Once it turns green, just click the plus to activate the Bluetooth function. When you're connected, choose the name of the knob, and then when this icon turns green, just click on it to unlock. There you have it. Okay. Another way is to generate a code using send passcode. Just click on this function, choose one time, and click generate. This will be the temporary code. There you go. And if you want to share this code to anyone, just click the share button and you can send via email or message. Yeah. And for more information, just choose the settings. This was the lock ID, and this is the battery percentage. This is the name of this knob, and this is the admin passcode. This is the permanent passcode that you can use for this Neolock.